I saw a video online of a guy, lovely, talking about RACEFIT, how we come over as a genuine company. Two dudes he referred to as who started RACEFIT in 2004, which is the case. I think he also referred to me as the CEO. What a great compliment, I guess. I don't know whether you'd have a CEO of RACEFIT. Anyway, long story short, CEO maybe, but chief packer and sweeper up, van driver, and all the other facets of the job. But I noticed that it's a big thing with the great unboxing of all products, including some RACEFIT exhaust. Well, this is the other end of the job. The great boxing up of it. All our great exhausts get sent out with a light coating of WD-40. So when you open that thing, you've just got beautiful looking exhaust. We're packing a gently in a little bubble bag. We're sealing the end of the bag so it's fresh for your consumption. All the packing materials we use recycled plastic, recycled cardboard. What I feel you've got to do is make sure that these things are packed nice and comfortably. They might be going round the corner, they might be going to Stoke, but they might be going to some far-flung place. We're pretty much delivered to everywhere I can possibly think of on the planet at some point. You know, if they ship into the States, they want to be right, don't they? They want to turn up. It wants to be a nice experience for your unboxing.